All right, guys, this example is example 4 of section 10.2. A searchlight is shaped like a parabolic of revolution. So paraboloid, it's just a parabolic shape, okay? So it's a parabola shape of revolution. So just fancy for in terms of parabola. If the light source is located 2 feet, so this is what I want you guys to know right here. Light source is located 2 feet from the base along the axis of symmetry, and the opening is 5 feet across. How deep should the searchlight be? So a searchlight is in essence a flashlight. And a flashlight, I'm gonna try my best to draw it for you, okay? Here's sort of and there's a light bulb somewhere in the bottom, and we have light source. So that's a light source. Now the light source is the focus from the base. So if I make the base we're gonna make the base at the origin because it's just the easiest location. So the base is at the origin, 0, 0, which is your vertex. Okay, which is your h comma k. So when the base or the vertex is at the origin, h and k will always be 0, 0. Now the word light source, this is where the focus is. They gave it to us. The focus is right now at 0, 2. The reason I know 0, 2 is because this is a parabola opening upward. And then they even went further and said, okay, well, the opening is 5 feet across. So this is 5 feet across. What that means is, and I know this order pair. This order pair is 2.5 feet, comma, some y value. And this order pair is negative 2.5 feet, comma, some y value. And again, when you can, always try to put the vertex at the origin. So now what is it looking for? It says, how deep should the searchlight be? How deep means I'm looking for the height of this searchlight. I'm looking for the height means I'm looking for the y value. Since it opens up and the vertex, let's put it back into the formula of a parabola. Opens up meaning that your formula is x minus h quantity square equals to 4a times y minus k. Well, h and k are both 0 because the vertex is at 0. So x squared equals 4a times y, since k is also 0. If I can find y, then that would be my answer. Well, I do know x. X is, according to this, x is 2.5 when y is unknown. I can definitely plug that in. So 2.5 is really 5 over 2 quantity squared equals 4. Well, I have one equation and 3 variables. I know what x is. I can plug that in. So let's remember, a is the distance from vertex to focus, okay, or vertex to the directrix. So remember that. Since we have the focus, a happened to be 2 feet. So plug that in and we're solving for y. So 5 over 2 squared, that's going to give me 25 over 4 equals 8y. To get rid of 8, we will multiply both sides by 1/8. 1 over 8. And y now comes out to be 25 over 32 feet. So how the deep, okay, the searchlight is is 25 over 32 feet deep. When you can, I do prefer the simplest exact answer. All right, and that's it. That's all we're looking for. And again, on your homework, I may be asking for the focus, which is where the light source is located, or I may be asking how why the light source is or anything like that. So just understand the whole concept so you know what to do. And this is the end of example 4.